ohmathgad.
ohmathgad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to evaluate algebraic expressions. So let's begin. So guys, the first thing that we have to remember is that whenever we're going to evaluate an algebraic expression, we first have to identify the expression and the given values, and we can try to simplify it. After that, we're gonna substitute the values and remember to multiply when needed. So for example, if we're given a situation where we have an expression 2a plus b, and we're given that the value of a is equal to 2 and the value of b is equal to minus 5, we're gonna substitute the value of a wherever a is. So 2 and 2, and then we're gonna substitute the value of b equal to minus 5 here, plus, and the value of b is minus 5. And then we would just solve. So in this case, it would be 2 times 2, which is plus 4, and then plus times minus is minus, and the 5. So it would mean 4 minus 5 is minus 1. So as you can see, we're basically identifying the expression with the given values, 2 and minus 5, and in this case, we couldn't simplify it further. And after that, we substitute the values. And after we substitute the values, we have a normal expression that we can solve. Okay, so let's try tackling a problem. So in this case, we have evaluate 10.2x plus 9.4y when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So in this case, we write down the expression 10.2 times x plus 9.4 times y. So because we have x and y, we cannot add them, so we cannot simplify it further. But what we can do is that we can substitute the value of x and the value of y. So 10.2 and x is 2 plus 9.4, and then we substitute the value of y, which is 3. Then this would mean that the answer is 10.2 times 2, which is 20.4, plus, and then we would just multiply 9.4 times 3, which is, in this case, 28.2. And after that, we just add 28.2 plus 20.4, giving us a total of 48.6. And that would be our answer. Now, let's try tackling another problem. So in this case, we have to evaluate the expression 1/2 t plus 3/8, right? And now they tell us that the value of t is 1/4. So we just substitute. So 1/2 times 1/4 plus 3 divided by 8. So in this case, we have 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 4. So the two numerators, 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 4 is 8. So it's 1 divided by 8 plus 3 divided by 8. Because we have an homogeneous fraction, we can just add numerator, which is 4, and then the denominators are the same. So 4 divided by 8, we know that is 1.5, or we can also express that as a decimal as 0.5. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So remember, whenever you're evaluating an algebraic expression, identify it, see the given values, substitute, and solve. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. See you on the next one. Bye!
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!